You can quickly create a list of dates in sequential order by using the fill handle or the fill command. Let's navigate the first option. Click in a cell and type your date. Click and drag the fill handle, and your date has been updated. If you are unhappy with the fill-in dates, click on the autofill options and select what options suits you the most. If you wish just to replicate the first cell value, just take the fill handle and then click Ctrl D, and it should replicate in the whole selection. The second option, select a cell, type a month and a year if you wish, and next step we'll be selecting additional cells where we want additional dates to be added. Under Home tab, click on Fill in the far right and select Series. Here, as a date unit, choose the unit which suits you. In this case, I want months, and click OK. And the autofill will work automatically for you.